Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see the urgent recruitment from the two different universities. So one is a private and second one is a state government university. And here the huge vacancies are there and the selection process also will be immediately done. So here the designations are assistant, associate as well as the professor vacancies are there. So it is a very good opportunity to the candidates who are looking for the government jobs and vacancies in the state government university. So before going into the main content of this video, if you are not yet subscribed the channel, then please do subscribe and then click on the bell icon and share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to these departments and who are looking for the opportunities in the faculty jobs. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam. So from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video and the links I kept in the description box of this video. And in this one, actually the in detail notification is not given here. So here they just given that urgent recruitment of the or else requirement of the assistant professors in radiology and pharmacology, that is School of Paramedical Sciences, and Mathematics, School of Basic and Applied Sciences subjects, and the qualifications are as per the UGC, MCA, PCA and PMCA etc. norms. So the interested candidates may send their CV on mail ID. So here the mail ID is given dean.research@sgrru.ac.in. So if you are having, actually as per the university, University Grants Commission norms, for the assistant professor category, if it is a level 10, okay, if it is a level 10 and that means a permanent category, then PG with the UG Senate in the particular department is necessary. But here they did not mention anything about whether it is a level 10 category or the permanent or the contractual basis, it is not mentioned. So I am just suggesting you that if you are having the post graduation in these departments, that is in radiology or pharmacology or mathematics, then try to apply or else try to send your resume, okay, in detail resume to this provided mail ID. So on or before 30th April 2021. Okay. So these are the details, and apart from sending the mail also, you can do the one more thing. So here you may go to the careers blog of this university, and here you will get, okay, just fill up your name and the contact number. Okay, just fill up all these details and which post you are applying for and upload your CV. Okay, and click on the submit. So do this one as well as send your detailed resume to the provided mail ID. Fine. So it is the one thing guys, and while coming to the next university is the Ganpati University. So here the huge vacancies are there guys, you may check down. So Ganpati University, one of the most reputed state private not-for-profit university in the country. So strong industry academia partnership and invites applications for undermentioned positions from competent and dynamic individuals having passion to create an academic excellence. So coming to the faculty of law, all subjects, and faculty of agriculture, so agronomy, horticulture and agri-entomology and economy, botany and soil science and chemistry, plant pathology and agriculture engineering. And coming to the faculty of architecture, design and planning, so these are things, and the faculty of nursing, all the subjects. So in these subjects here the positions dean, principal, professor, associate, assistant, professor emeritus and adjunct professor is also there, and nursing tutor is also required for the faculty of the nursing. Okay? And coming to the faculty of engineering and technology, so in this one cyber security, big data analytics and computer information technology, mechanical, automobile, civil, electrical and petrochemical. And in the faculty of sciences, chemistry, physics, microbiology, biotechnology, botany, mathematics, medical laboratory technology and food technology. And in faculty of pharmacy, pharmacology and pharmacognosy, pharmacochemistry and pharmaceuticals and quality assurance, so English. And in management science, finance, marketing, HR and international business, agribusiness, pharmaceutical management and MPH. And faculty of computer applications, cyber security, machine learning, data science, IoT, cloud computing and infrastructure management services. And faculty of social sciences and humanities, social work, all subjects. So in these departments, whatever I shown you right now, that is starting from the faculty of engineering and technology sciences, pharmacy, English, management studies, computer application, and social science and humanities. Here the designations required are professor, associate, assistant, professor emeritus, and adjunct professor. So these are the designations, guys. And coming to the Department of Maritime, so BTech Marine Engineering and BSc Nautical Science, GME ETO, GP Ratings and STCW courses. And here Master in FG and Master in NCV, Chief Engineer. Okay, so Chief Officer, Marine Electrotechnical Officer, Second Engineer. Okay, these are the things required. And here University Central Office, that means in the Central Office, few non-teaching posts are there. They are placement or executive education and admission, media and PR and public relation. So sports and cultural activities, academics, HR, administration, IT, exam purchase, accreditation, student support and international student support, and accounts and finance, senior manager. So campus facility management head, startup and incubation entrepreneurship, digital marketing and content writing, graphic designer required, and healthcare center and office of president. Okay, and preference will be given to the PhD degree and experience with premium institutions or universities. But while coming to the assistant professor, if you are having the post graduation, then please try to apply. Okay, so here, so apply by April 30th 2021 for immediate processing. And for more details, you may visit the official website of this one. Okay, so actually I am showing this advertisement in the official website only. So if you want to check the qualifications, so professor adjunct and non-teaching positions and teaching positions. Okay, so qualification and eligibility criteria for the teaching positions, then you may click down here. So here the non-teaching positions are there. So definitely the opportunity will be there to the candidates who are having the graduation, diploma, post-graduation, okay, with or without UGC-NET. So guys, coming to the assistant professor category, so 55% in master's degree. Apart from that one, the UGC-NET qualification is required. So PhD is not necessary for the assistant professor, guys. Fine. So if you want to get the more details, I will provide this website link in the description box of this video. So you please go through this one. So finally, the total 2 vacancies in the 2 universities I am showing you right now. One is the State Government University of Uttarakhand, okay, and second one is the private university, that is Ganpati University, right? So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for vacancies in the universities, guys. Fine. For more notifications, subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC-NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC-NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC-NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide